Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? Are fine. Have you done your homework? Okay. In previous class, what we discussed? We discussing about the graphs. Is it? That is, we are in the third chapter, pair of linear equations. Is it? Pair of linear equations, and we discussing about something. What we discussing about the pair of linear equations in two variables, and what when we draw a graph, then there is must x-axis and y-axis also they are occupying. Is it? They are also occupying, and x and y are two axes. Then we discussing two types of equations that occupy x and y. First we discussing about 3x plus 4y equal to 0. Then second we discuss about what? Second we discuss about second one is 2x plus 3y equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y equal to 18. Is it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 3.1. 3.1. That is, our first question is, now we are studying in graphs, so we all know how to draw a graph. We must draw graph with pencil and scales. We didn't draw graphs with pens. We only draw with pencils. When we drawing a picture, the picture is must be neat and clear. Okay, got it? Then the first question is what? First question is Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old. As you were then also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Is it? Yes. Represent his situation algebraically and graphically. We want to represent algebraically and graphically. Then what is the condition here? First is Aftab age is x. Aftab age is x. Let's we take Aftab age as x. Then what is the age of its daughter? After 7 years, doctor or Altaf age is going to x plus 7. Is it? When we now this year is my age is 2, then next year is my age is 3. Is it? That is adding plus 1 adding or plus 1. After 2 years my age is what? 4. That is 2 plus 2 equal to 4. We get 4. Then what is the next? Its that age is taken as y. Then what is y minus 7? We can write. That is from question Altaf tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then also 3 years. From now I shall be 3 times as old as you be like. That is y minus 7 equal to what we can write? Y minus 7 equal to x minus 7 or x. Here we can write 7 into y minus 7. Y minus 7 into y minus 7 equal to x minus 7. X means Altaf's age and y means its daughter age. We want to solve this, that is 7y minus 49 equal to x minus that is 7 by 40 negative or minus 49 is going to right side, then 7 by equal to what we can write, x minus 7 plus 49. That is what we can write, that is x plus 42. X plus 42. 7 by equal to x plus 42. That is we can write y equal to x by 7 plus 6. X by 7 plus 6. Is it? Is it? That is here 7 is going to right side. Then what we can write, or 7 or y equal to x plus 42 or divided by 7. Then this is we can write like this, that is x by 7 plus 42 by 7, that is 6 into 7, or when we divide 42 by 7 we get 6. That is first one equation. And next one is what? Next one, for we are taking next second one is x plus 3 equal to 3 into y plus 3. After 3 years, then 3 times of its up of age. That is when we open the bracket, this is our first equation, and second equation is what? We can simplify x plus 3 equal to 3 into y plus 3, that is x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 9. When we open the bracket, 3 into y, 3y, and 3 into 3 equal to 9 plus 9. That is here 3y equal to, we can write x plus 3 minus 9. Here 9 is going to left side, then minus 9. We can write minus 9. That is y equal to, next step 3y equal to, here x plus 3 minus 9 we can write x minus 6. X minus 6. That is here plus 3 minus 9. Here is 9 is bigger comparing to 3. Then we get x minus 6. That is we can write y equal to x minus 6 all divided by 3. That is x by 3 minus 2. X by 3 minus 2. Here we separating x by 3 minus 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. That is x by 3 minus 2. That is y equal to. When we give values, we can draw the graph. Is it? When we in first equation, when we give x as 0, 6, x as, that is the first equation is what is our first equation, x y equal to x by 7 plus 6. Is it? Yes. X plus, when we draw graph, we want what? Points. That is here x and this is y. Y is x by 7 plus 6. When first we give x is 6, we get what we get here. When we give x equal to minus 7 or minus 7, what we get? X equal to minus 7, then minus 7 by 7 plus 6. That is we get, here is we get minus 1 plus 6 and the answer is 5. Answer is 5. That is, here we get 5. When we give x, this is our first equation. When we give x as 0, then what we get? Here we give x as 0, then what we get? We get 0 by 7, 0, and then value of y we get 6. That is 0 by 7 plus 6. That is 0 plus 6. That is answer is 6. And next we give 7. What is the answer? When we give x as 7, then we get 7. We get 7. This is the first equation graph. That is, when we draw here is 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we want, this is our x axis and this is our y axis. Then we want 5, 6, 7. That is, here is 1. Here is 2, here is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And first point is negative 7, 5. That is, when we draw a perpendicular line from 7, negative 7, and we draw a perpendicular line from 5, we get the point. This is the point. Negative 7, 5. And next one is 0, 6. That is, when we take x as 0, here is 0, then the point is here. And next one is what? Next one is 7, 7. That is, when we draw perpendicular line from both sides, that is, we can draw a line through these points. First, this is the equation. What is the equation? Y equal to x by 7 plus 6. This is the graph of approximate graph of equation y equal to x by 7 plus 6. When you draw graph, you must draw with pencil and scale. You must use pencil and scale and draw with neat figure. Okay. And our second equation is, what is our second equation? Second equation is y equal to, what is, x by 3 minus 2. Is it x by 3 minus 2? That is what we can given. For second graph, we can take 3 points. Here y is what? X by 3 minus 2. X by 3 minus 2. Here first x is, I take as 6. This This is our second equation. This is our first equation. That is x by 3. That is 6 by 3 equal to what? 6 by 3. What we get? 6 by 3 means 2. 2 minus 2. What we get? 0. Is it? 0. When we give 0, 3, x as 3, what is the answer of y? What is the answer of y? That is, we get 1. Is it? We get 1. And next what we give? When we give x as 0, we get what we get? When we give x as 0, what we get? We get negative 2. Is it? 0 by 3 is 0. 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2. Is it? Then we can also draw. Here is, we try and figure in both equation in one figure. That is here 6 0. That is when we take 6, y is 0. That is the point is here. This is the 6 0. And next one is 3 1. That is this is 3 1. And next one is 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. That is here x is 0 and here is minus 1 and this is minus 2. Is it? 0 minus 2. That is when we draw here, when we take 3, then what we get? Here when we take 3, we get here negative 1. That is 3 by 3 as 3 by 3 is 1. That is 1 minus 2. We get negative 1. Is it? 1 so here is, we rewrite. Here is no 1. 1 is no. That is here is negative 1. Negative 1. So here is, we want to take the point 3 negative 1. This is 3 negative 1 and this is 2 0. That is what we get. This is the second equation. When we try. When we give x as 3, then 3 by 3 is 1. 1 minus 2, we get negative 1. Not to 1. That is a mistake. So we rewrite 3 by 3 is minus 2. 3 by 3 minus 2. That is 1 minus 2. We get negative 1. And that is the answer is 6 0. 3 negative 1. 0 negative 2. This is the graph. That is, this is the equation. That is the equation y equal to x by 3 minus 2. This times equation is y equal to x by 3 minus 2. And first I repeat first what? That the age of Aftaf is x and age of its daughter is y. That is 7 after 7 years. That is Aftaf age is what? A years ago. Then Aftaf age is x minus 7. 7 age is going to back. So there is, we take x minus 7. That is, that time Aftaf's daughter's age is also x minus or y minus 7. X or y is not. Aftaf age is x and daughter age is y. Then after 7 years ago, after is not 7 years ago, then Aftaf age is x minus 7 and daughter age is y minus 7. Then there is the relation x minus 7 equal to 7 into y minus 7. Then we can get this equation. And second condition is x plus 3 and after 3 years then x plus 3 equal to 3 into y plus 3. Then we get this equation. and this is the graphical representation of their life. This is the graphical representation of their life. And now, can you follow? And the question second and the third one is for your homework. We get like when we take equations, you must take x and y, then you can write same graphs. So that is for your homework. And next one is graphical method of solution of pair of linear equations. That is first graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations. That is we are discussing about linear equations. That is first we discussed what first equation is discussed about the equation is first equation is in page number 42 figure 3.2, that is one is x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Its graph is that is next one is this is x minus 2y 0. This is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. This is coinciding. And second equation is what is the second equation? Second equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 9. And next equation is 4x plus 6y equal to 80. Its graph is coinciding. And third graph is what is third graph? X plus 2y minus 4 and equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Its graph is parallel. You can see the graphs in page number 42, figure 3.2 with clear image, and figure 3.3, page number is 43, and this image is in 44 page number, that is figure is 3.4. First is intersecting and second is what in graphically, that is this is coinciding, this is parallel. That is we can discussing about then coinciding, this is one point or one solution. Here is more than one solution, that is this is coinciding, and this is there is no solution because they are going parallel or with a rail gate or they are going with the parallel lines. So here is no solution. For like this, we can write a x square plus or ax plus by plus c or a1 b1 by c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are two linear equations. Then we can take the coefficient of x with relation. There is the page number 46. The table 3.4 is discussing about that. When we discussing about first one, here is a1, this is a2. Then a1 by a2 equal to, in the case of these two equations, x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Then we can take here a1 by a2, that is 1 by 3. And also we can take b1 by b2. b1 by b2 equal to, there is what, minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. And then c1 by c2, we can also take c1 by c2, that is 0 by 20, that is we can take 0 by 20, that is 0, that is 0. That means here a1 by a2 is 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 is negative 1 by 2. That is, these are not equal. a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. Is it right? Yes. That is, we can see here a1 by a2 means 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 equal to, that is minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2. That is, these are not equal. So there is a intersecting lines, that is exactly one solution. That is, we can see the image or graph, that is figure 3.2. Its figure is 3.2. In textbook, the page number is 42. We can see the clear image, that is when we take the relations of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, there is not equal, so the lines are intersecting. So it's a exactly one solution for unique. Exactly one solution for unique. That is in next one, next equation. Here we take the next equation. We can take the next equation. Here a1 by a2 means, a1 by a2 means what? 2 by 4. That is, we get 1 by 2. Is right? Yes. And b1 by b2 means what? Here b1 is 3 and b2 is 6. Thus 3 by 6 we get 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 equal to 9 by 8 equal to 1 by 2. That is, here a1 by a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 is 1 by 2. Is it right? Clear? That is, these are equal. These are equal. That is, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. We can write a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. We can clearly, is it? That is, the graph is coincident. Is it? The coincident, we get the graph as coincident lines. That is, it have many solution, infinitely many solution it have. And when we consider the third one means here x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. That is, here checking a1 by a2 equal to what we get? 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2, what we get? b1 by b2. b1 by b2 2 by 4, that is what we get, 2 by 4 what we get, 1 by 2. And next one is what, negative c1 by c2 equal to negative 4 by negative 12, what we get negative 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Here we can look, a1 by a2 is 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 is 2 by 4, that is also 1 by 2, and third one is c1 by c2, that is 1 by 2, sorry 1 by 3. Here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Is it right? Yes. Here a1 by a2 1 by 2, b1 by b2 here 1 by 2, that is these are equal. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 is not equal, that is its value is 1 by 3. Okay, that is here the lines are parallel lines, so it have no solution. Please read the portions in page number 44 and 45. There is explaining these, for the explanation of these in bigger size, so please read and write a smart note on your notebook. And next is, that is commonly we can say, what we can say, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are intersecting. That is first case. And second case is when a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are coincident. Is it? Yes. And third condition is what? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are parallel. I repeat, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are coincident. That is first condition. And second one is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. These lines are coincident. When a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, the lines are parallel. Is it? Yes. These are the property. In parallel there is no solution. When the lines is coincident, then it will have many solutions. And when the line is intersecting, the solution is unique. It will have at least exactly one solution. Okay. Next, for an example, check graphically. Check graphically. X plus 3 equal to, x plus, for spacing, x plus 3y equal to 6, and next one is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. These are the two equations we want to represent graphically. That is, we want to represent graphically, then we must find y. That is what? Here is 3y equal to x. 3y equal to what? 6 minus x. In equation, when we write equation number 1, we write equation number 1, then we can find 3y equal to 6 minus x or minus x plus 6. That is next y equal to 6 minus x whole divided by 3. Whole divided by 3. That is we can write 2 minus x by 3. We can also write 2 minus x by 3. That is for first we can draw graph x. Here y is 6 minus x whole divided by 3. We take only 2 points. That is when we take x as 0. X as 0, what is y? What is y? 6 minus 0 by 3. That is 6 by 3. That is we get 2. We get 2. Is it? Next, we take as x as 6. When we take x as 6, then what we get? We get 0. We get 0. Is it? Is it right? Is it? Yes. Then the second equation is what is the second equation? Negative 3y equal to 12 minus 2x. 12 minus 2x. And y equal to 12 minus 2x whole divided by negative. Whole divided by negative 3. That is when we multiply by negative, we can rewrite, or here we can rewrite 2x minus 12 by 3. 2x minus 12 by 3. That is here I take minus as common, minus 1 is common, then we can write minus 12. When we take as minus 1 is common, then we can write minus 12 plus 2x minus 3. Then we can rewrite this is 2x minus 12 by 3. 12 by 3. That is the equation. That is for graphical representation we take points. For this points is that is for this is a complicated way, so we can rewrite as, because we can rewrite as what 2x equal to 3y plus 12. Next we can write 3y minus 2x minus 12. 3y equal to 2x minus 12. That is y equal to, we can write y equal to 2x minus 12 whole divided by 3. Whole divided by 3. For simple method or simple way, here the graphical representation point is x. Here y equal to 2x minus 12 by 3. 12 by 3. When we take x as 0, then what we get? Minus 4. That is x is 0, then this part is 0, that is minus 12 by 3, that is answer is minus 4. And when we take x as 3, 2x, 2 into 3, we get 6. 6 minus 12, we get what is? We get minus 6, and minus 6 by 3, we get minus 2. We get minus 2. And the graph is, we can draw the graph is zero, minus 1, minus 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? Yes. And here we can write 0, 2. That is, when we take 0 as x, it is 2. And x as 6, y is 0. X as 6, then y is 0. That is this one. That is, this is the line equation is what? Our first equation, x plus 3y equal to 6. X plus 3y equal to 6. And second one is what? Second one is when we take 0, that is minus 3 and minus 4. When we take x as 0, then y is minus 4 here. And x is 3, then what we get? X is 3, we get minus 2. That is minus 2. That is, when we draw this line, that is, we get coinciding this line with here 0, 6. When you draw in your notebook, you get here is a intersecting. The lines are intersecting at the point 0, 6. This is the graphical representation of the equations x plus 3y equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Here is the point. This is the equation 4. This is representing 2x minus 3y equal to 12. This line is representing for 2x minus 3y equal to 12. This line is going for intersecting, like this point is negative 2, 3. Okay, that is, here is we get 6, 0. That is, here we write 6, x as 6 and y as 0. That is, x point or x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 0. Then when we draw these lines are intersecting in the point 6, 0. That is, x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 0. Here the x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is negative 4. Here the x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is negative 2. And here is x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 2. These are the graphical representation of these equations. Okay, can you understand? Okay, I conclude my class. I wish you a good day. Take care.